Look at that. That's a vibe. Right there. First thing first, big vibe with the knife. If you ever cut some lobsters or cook some lobsters, you can vibe your knife like this. So today we're making braised short rib. This is my short rib, nice cut of meat, a lot of fat, a lot of marbling. So all we're gonna do is we're gonna just cut them into sections like this. Smaller the better. You can cut it bigger if you want. So just like that, just like that, just like that, and we're gonna give it a vibe. So big vibe today. Crazy Chef braised short rib. If it's your first time here, hit that like button. If you want to support the vibe, you know the deal. Hit that red subscribe button. So let's get into the video. Let's get into the vibe. Big vibe with the new style of knife. Custom. So a little bit of infused oil. Not too much oil because your short rib has a bunch of fat in there. So short rib in. And what you want to get is you want to get a crusty brown from your short rib. So all you want to get from your short rib is you want to get a crusty brown. So what we're going to do is we're going to put this. So we're going to get a crusty brown, a nice sear. And then we're going to put this in our oven, and we're gonna cook it for like 2 hours. So let me Gordon Ramsay it for a little while. You know, let me hit it with that salt and pepper, as Gordon Ramsay would say. Let's season it. I don't think you can season with salt and pepper, but he is one of the best. So I'm gonna do what he did. Now, all you gotta do is do a nice sear. Nice fire. So, you know the deal. Big fire. Big vibe. Crazy Chef. We got our braised short rib. So let me hit it with some more S&P just for a vibe. And as always, you know the deal. If it's a vibe, it's a vibe. So I'm gonna sear that side off, then I'm gonna hit it with that vibe. So stick around to the end of the video if you want to catch that big vibe. If you want a regular vibe, you know the deal. But if you want to get that big vibe, stick around to the end of the video. Alright, so next you want to put in your vegetables. So I'm putting my vegetables. I'm just putting like a whole pot right in. Because what's happening is as soon as it starts to cook, it's gonna break down the vegetables. See? I put a whole pepper just like that. put some potatoes in there. Some celery. Some garlic. Pretty much what's going to happen is I'm going to put the cover on there and it's just going to vibe, but we're not ready for that yet. So, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my wine, open it, So the major part of this vibe, thanks to my friend Keegan, who is probably one of the best chefs I've ever met, is the Dr. Pepper. So I'm gonna add some herbs to it. And all this is some rosemary, some garlic, some oregano, some fresh thyme, and some shallots. So I'm gonna add this to the vibe. So that's the vibe. So this is what you call good short rib. Look at that. That's a vibe. Right there. That's good short rib. And look at my carrots. Just like that. Look at my potatoes. Look at my gravy. Look how good my gravy looks. That's good short rib. Right there. Alright. So I'm gonna spin a vibe on it, so to say, and then we'll come back. Big vibe.